Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna unbox this. This is a $5 mouse! Alright, so this is a box of it. Pretty sure it's okay for this mouse. Well, we will find out how this thing performs and how it works. So, first, there's the box, there's the mouse itself shown here. Ooh, it's a wireless one. So this is a Maverick optical mouse. Oh my god, that's a DPI. Well, I think it's okay for optical mouse. Alright, so this is compatible with the PC and the Mac. And this is a max DPI. It can go, I guess, because it doesn't show anything more. 4 buttons. So, what? 4 buttons? Are they programmable or something? I'm not sure, but this is a NAND receiver, which is this one. Well, we're gonna find out. So 2.4 gigahertz. That's a really slow Wi-Fi. Well, let's unbox it. So first, what we have in the box is a plastic. What is that? All right. First, we have a mouse itself. We're just gonna put this aside right now. I don't wanna look at it yet. And what we have more in box? Oh, we have a user manual, I guess. Alright, this is a manual, I guess. Why look, it's just cutting. Interesting. Well, we're gonna find out what is this. Oh my god, this is too much lettering. I can't read it. It's too small. Well, I guess I'm gonna do this right now, because who freaking reads the manuals in 2022 or 2023 now soon? Nobody. Because they know how to use the device when they buy. Why are you buying the device and you don't know how to use it? Alright. So let's take a closer look at the mice. Let's unbox it. Alright, there it is. This is a basic mouse. It looks okay, I can tell, but it's really cute. No, I'm serious. There's that logo. I don't know, I think it's okay. So this is a really small mouse, I can tell already. Alright, this is more details about it. If you wanna, you can read it. And this is a quality passed. Perfect, if it's quality passed. Alright, this is our receiver. I'm gonna plug this in a moment. Wanna see how this is gonna work and perform. So yeah. Alright, so first of all, it takes a batteries. Well, I lost focus for some reason. Let's put the batteries in. This is flimsy. I got the genuine Beck cell. Sadly, it's not a POC cell, but let's insert them. Alright, one is on. And the second one. There you go. Alright, there's a power on switch. Ooh, look at the flash. Alright, let me put this in the computer. I want to check it, how it works. Plug this in. Alright, so first of all, you can see this already. Yeah, so it's a basic laser. But how it performs. So if I'm gonna take a look at the computer right here, it's really saturated. I'm gonna just move it a little bit. I don't know, I think it's okay. Yeah, so it works for now because I'm like moving it really slowly. Because you can see like here, I'm moving it really slowly. But what will happen if I'm gonna try to play a game on high sense, or like I'm gonna do like a flick or something probably the sensor gonna go crazy, like it's gonna go crazy. But yeah, let's try to play a game. So let me turn on a game first. Alright, so before I will start playing a game and test this mouse, I'm gonna show a size comparison. And yeah, so this is a Extreme mouse right next to the Viper Mini. Well, yeah, this thing, I used this thing like for 2 years or 2.5, so it just looks like that, but this is size comparison. So yeah, it's really small mouse, as you see right here. And yeah, so we're gonna see how this thing gonna perform. Alright, so let me play Call of Duty Black Ops 2 here, and with this mouse. And we're gonna see how this thing is gonna go. I didn't use a laser mouse for like 4 years now, and I wanna try it because damn, that was a long time ago I was using it for like a gaming or something. So yeah, we're gonna see how it's going right now. So let me see. So alright, so far when I move slowly it's okay. Let me go a little bit faster. Oh god. No. Why? Look at that. I'm just moving a little bit, but I'm gonna show it. And the sensor goes crazy. Well, let me try to play some. Alright, let me... I died. I don't care. Let's run. Buttons, actually... Buttons are okay. They are. Alright. Only one good thing about this mice, it's compact and it has buttons, which we are gonna open this up actually later. We're gonna see what type of switches this thing uses. Probably like a generic basic switches. So yeah, but this is a really small mice. Damn. Alright. Alright, so it's time to see what's inside of this mouse. So, let me turn it off first. There we go. And let me grab a screwdriver, probably a basic Phillips head screw. There is inside. So let's see. Give me my batteries back. There we go, thank you. Alright, so... taking a look at there's a screw. Probably this is the only one screw that he's holding it. We're gonna see. So let's unscrew it. All right. There we go. There's a screw. All right. It's time to see what's inside of this mice. 3, 2, 1. Okay. It looks pretty generic. I mean, it's so small. Damn, look at the board. It's so tiny. Oh my god, those wires. It doesn't look to me really safe or something like this. The whole board just comes off. Alright, so this is a... yeah, you can see here. This is a sensor here. Right here. I guess. Well, let me... if anyone want... just correct me. So this is a sensor, right? Or this is this. I think this one is. So... here is a sensor, and the sensor size isn't looking good. I mean, it's small. I mean, what do you expect? This is Office mice. And I already can see this. Corrosion. Oh my god, what? Well, that explains why it was like only $5. Similar to $5. So this is switches, which they are... What the heck is those switches? BOMJS. This is switches from BMOJS. Never heard before of... I never heard it before. Like, what the heck? But, yeah. I think it's fine for this mouse. Yeah, so I think it's pretty... I mean, mice is okay. For basic use, it's perfect mice. As a backup mice, it's good too, but not for the gaming. Yeah, let me put this back. What the whoa, what? What happened? Wait a minute. Huh. So this is a... That's a good quality. Damn. Wow. It won't even close. Are you serious? It won't close. Let me try to screw it. The screw back. Hopefully we didn't bust it. Oh, there we go. Perfect mice. Alright, let me put the batteries back. Just to confirm that it is still working. Yep, it does. Yeah, it works perfectly fine. So yeah, this was a review of this Extreme mice. So really small and cute. But yeah. So this is gonna be end of the video here, and I wanna say something more. I will maybe soon compare this mice to a brick. So if anyone who doesn't know what is a brick, it's a G502. So yeah, that's gonna be it. So yeah, peace. Oh goddamn, mice broke.